Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is our DeadBox app created by us. So this is designed for ghost hunters, mediums, witches, for communicating with spirits. So basically how it works is it uses your device's compass, because the compass is essentially an EMF meter. Because ghosts can manipulate EMF, it's a way that spirits can pick sound files from the sound bank. So if they manipulate the EMF around the device, they can use that to choose words that are in the sound bank. So basically the on-off button's here and the timer's here. So it defaults from 10 seconds when you first install it. So every 10 seconds, whatever the EMF reading is at that precise moment in time, that's the word that will be chosen. You know, the sound file that's linked to that EMF meter reading. You can change the timer up and down to whatever you want, to 1 second or 20 seconds. So if you put it to 20 seconds, every 20 seconds a word will be spoken, and it's whatever EMF meter reading correlates to that at the time. You have the history there, so that's the words that were picked previously, time and date and the word, and you can clear the history by pressing the clear button. So I'll turn it on. In fact, I'm just going to turn the timer down just so it picks words faster, just to give you a demonstration. So basically a word will be picked every 3 seconds now, that's the minimum. Right, so basically let's look on the history. So it's just picked up there, hidden eye hours. So there we go. That is the DeadBox by Spirit Shack. If you're interested in this, I'll put the links to download it in the video description, and thanks for watching.